Hey guys, we're going to do a awning bag changeover. This is a 1.5 meter 270. All you need is your 13mm ratchet down here, screwdriver, pop rivet gun, your pop rivets, 5mm Allen key, 4.2mm drill bit, drill, and a Stanley knife. So to start off, you've got to unzip your bag. You want to open your bag up so it's sitting on the actual awning material on your arm, so your bag's out free like this. So from there you take your little rubber stops off, your protectors for your bolts. I've already loosened these nuts off already. Bolts come off, your nuts. Don't lose your nuts and your washers. You got to make sure on these, because they've got a strut, you don't want to release the V-frame from the C brackets, because if you do that, you're in a little bit of trouble there to get it back together. So 2 C brackets are free. Then you want to drill your pop rivets out. So you got 4 pop rivets. I've already drilled 3 of them out. Just one here, I'll show you. So those pop rivets are loose now. So once those 4 bolts on each side are loose, pop rivets are out, and this plate should just lift off. Get a little screwdriver in there and just jam between the V-frame and the backing plate. So that's your backing plate, free with your bag now. These little end caps on your backing plate, take those off. And your bag should just slide straight off now. Just remember which way your bag's going on your backing plate. Now this is probably the hardest thing. Slipping your bag on. This bag's gonna go this way. You're gonna get a little sail track on the bottom. In there. And that sail track on the top. It will grab a little bit. Just got to slowly guide it through. So once you got that bag on, you want to make sure you're sitting center to the backing plate. So when you up there, once you've got that center, you flip it back over, and you've got to create your holes for your bolts to come through. So if you just feel through here, you've filled your bolt holes. One right there. Get your Stanley knife and just cut that bolt hole out. Right there, like that. So you do that on all 4 corners. Then the other side, just make sure you don't slide the fabric over. So you don't move the location of the other side. So you'll have another hole right here. Okay, once those 4 holes are located, you flip it over and fit the bag back over your bolts. Okay, once that's on, grab all your bolts you took off. Should have eight nuts you took off here.
Yep.
Always make sure too that the bag is not crimped under the backing plate. So either side, check each corner. Sometimes that can crimp under that edge.
The internal bolt,
Is an Allen key.
that's why we have
The 5mm Allen key. So when you're tightening, you want to hold your Allen key in there and tighten your nut.
some of the bolts dropped like this one.
Which is fine. Just gotta grab that. We've got a little bit of fabric stuck in there. Just grab the drill. Drill the fabric out.
Always make sure these washers go back on to spread the weight of the pressure of the nut. Once those 4 bolts either side are on, you want to try to tighten them up. You might be lucky enough not to have to use the Allen key if they don't twist, but they usually do. You can fit your caps back on. Then, just go put your 4 pop rivets back in. Once these pop rivets are already drilled out. So this here joins the backing plate to the V-frame. It's just the bag we have to drill out. All right, pop rivets in, 4 bolts tightened. Now you can flip the awning over. Oh, before we do that, get the rubber end stops we can put back in. Okay. And once they are in, flip the bag over the whole awning. And that's the bag. Complete. Done.